With branches in Longton, Tunstall and Newcastle under Lyme, North Staff's Tyre and Battery is one of Stoke-on-Trent's leading suppliers of exhausts, batteries, car servicing, MOT testing, brakes, steering and suspension. We've been looking after our motoring customers' needs since 1973. We stock and fit all makes and sizes of tyres for cars, vans and 4x4s, including premium brands, mid-range, budget and retreads at the best prices in the Potteries. Prices start at less than £20 per tyre, including fitting, valve and wheel balancing, plus free puncture repairs for life on any tyre you buy from us. We stock a huge range of budget and heavy-duty batteries for all types of vehicles, including quads, caravans, boats and golf buggies. We'll be happy to carry out a free test on your old battery to see if it needs replacing, and we fit new batteries free. With a full range of servicing options, plus MOT testing and exhaust with 2-year guarantee. Visit us online for more details. Check out our internet vouchers for discounts and call North Staff's Tyre and Battery.